Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I actually forgot to open this vlog today. We're in Promenade Sea Point today, and yeah, I haven't vlogged in such a long time and I feel a bit embarrassed to vlog, go around with my camera, but I'm just gonna try to do it best. Hi guys, I know that I've been quiet almost all the video, but yeah, basically this is my solo date reading a book at Mishu Cafe, Mishu restaurant. I'm not so sure if it's a cafe or restaurant, but I had so much fun. And from here I go on to Promenade where I take a walk, and yeah, later on joining my friend who cooked dinner, and we had dinner. So yeah. breakfast after being took out every 5 minutes. Eh? Okay, I'll do the chopping board. But anyway, I'm washing the dishes. I love these. So pretty. One thing about Randan, guys. So I'm washing the dishes and she's cooking. So yeah, what are you cooking, my friend? Ah, yes. She's asking if I have a problem with this one. This one. So yeah, you can see, guys. One thing about Randan, she will cook. That's one thing. She told me go to Woolworths and get me a juice, a certain juice. So, but did you put the juice in the fridge? Ramashi. Made with love from Reddy.
To Tapi.
While I was cleaning, bon appetit. You must say, while she was cleaning, I was cooking for her. This one is angry. Why did I clean her place? Randan is cooking, guys.